But first, though, a key report on inflation is expected today. The Consumer Price Index, a measure of the cost of goods and services, is expected to show another increase for the month.
Financial expert Terry Savage joins us now this morning. Good morning.
Good morning. You know what's cool besides Kool and the Gang? That
What?
number just came out, the Consumer Price Index, a little lower, up still a bit, but a little lower than had been expected. And we also just got reports that retail sales have come down a bit and the Home Builders Index is weakened somewhat. And all that is sort of good news on the inflation front, bit of a slowing economy. And so the stock market, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ have just reached all-time highs. The Dow is about 150 points away. The sense that maybe inflation is now, we're getting signs that it's under control. All of that is considered good news for stocks and for you, for your 401k plan, because you know you're in that S&P 500 stock index fund. Don't complain. It's at all-time highs.
It is interesting, though. We just did a story about how grocery prices are still so incredibly high. Why is that?
But they're coming down a bit. The rate of inflation is slowed. Yes, a lot of stuff, not eggs, which came down a lot, that I watch a lot. But even gasoline should be coming down, even though it's the summer driving months, as these lower prices work their way for energy, for example, through the economy. So no, prices have not stopped going up. And we don't want prices to plummet. That would be a sign of a terrible economic recession and disaster. But we just liked the news that inflation is slowing and maybe we'll get to that Fed's 2% target. That would be better inflation. Well, we had it for a few years, 4 or 5 years ago. But before that, inflation over the long run has averaged 6%. So we're right about on target. It's getting under control.
Getting there. All right, let's get to some viewer questions. Wasn't there legislation that was going to limit late credit fees to $8 in most cases? What happened to that?
Yeah. You know what happened to that? Objections from the financial services industry. Right now, credit card companies can charge you $30 in late fees for the first time. Do it again in 6 months, and the charge will be $41. So the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau set out a rule. It was supposed to go into effect this week, but there was a lawsuit filed a while back saying the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has been created wrong. The funding mechanism is wrong. And a court in Texas said, well, you can't put this rule into effect because of that Supreme Court case that's pending. So as a result, that cap, $8 cap, is not in effect. And until we have the ruling from the Supreme Court about the other case, they can still keep charging you a lot. So pay your bills on time is the message.
All right, next question. I own my own house. I have 3 adult children who will get everything when I die. I have a few $1,000,000 to leave them. Do I need something other than a will?
Well, a will would be fine, and you want to have that. But even better would be something called a revocable living trust. You guys would roll your eyes if I tried to explain why that's better. I'll make just one point and tell you where you can learn more. A revocable living trust allows your children, if you retitle the house and all your savings and investment accounts in the name of the trust, what if you had a stroke or were incapacitated or had dementia? It allows your named successor trustee to take over and handle your affairs. If you want to learn more about the difference, go to terrysavage.com. There's a box that has a video in it. It says Terry Talks Wills and Revocable Living Trust, and it'll give you all the details.
All right, next question.
By the way, it should cost about the same to do a revocable living trust as a will. So you might as well do the better thing and change your property into the name of the trust.
All right, last question. Which Medicare plan supplement would be the best plan for a retired single healthy person?
Well, you should sign up for Medicare Part B immediately and sign up for your supplement immediately, because you cannot be turned down for the best supplement, which is Supplement G. It costs the most, but it covers the most. So you want to do that right away when you sign up for Medicare. You can change once a year, but if you have an illness, you might not get into Part G. And let me issue another warning, because I've been getting phone calls. I hate them. This is Susie. I'm calling to tell you that your Medicare, you can get more. Do not fall for Medicare Advantage. I can't say that more clearly. These companies are going to have to be more stringent about their coverage because they're losing money, the Medicare Advantage companies. Please avoid that. Sign up for traditional Medicare Try and get Part G. It is more expensive, but if you're ill, you'll be glad you have it.
All right, what's your take on online bank accounts that offer interest rates as high as 5%?
Good. They're catching up. For a long time, banks were paying 3 and 3.5% when you could get a lot more. I personally prefer Treasury bills, IOUs directly from the government. For 6 months, they're currently paying about 5.36%. So it's a nice rate of return. There is no state income tax on the interest you earn, and you buy them at treasurydirect.gov. And again, let me send you back to terrysavage.com, because on the homepage on the right, there's a box, everything you need to know about Treasury bills. Shows you how you can do this. You don't need a broker. You don't need someone looking over your shoulder. You can open a treasurydirect.gov account. It's where you bought savings bonds and where you buy 6-month T-bills and get the very best rate.
All right, Terry's book is called Social Security Horror Stories. It's available now. If you want to ask Terry a question, go to terrysavage.com. Thanks, Terry.
Thanks, Terry.
Thanks.
Time for On Town.
Hey, Dean.